Hi! This time we will be cooking something hot and spicy.
Okay, now we're gonna cook squid or sotong or calamari, whatever you want to call it. Where I need the sotong or squid and then the liquid seasoning, cracked pepper, fine salt. This is a lemon, we need it to squeeze later on. And then some chopped garlic, butter, onions, and some chili padi. What do you call this one? Pepper.
Okay, first we're going to melt about 200 grams of butter on a hot pan. Then we add the chopped garlic. Cook the butter and the garlic together and then add the chopped white onions. You have to cook this in low heat, otherwise the butter will burn. Okay, then after the onion is soft, you can add the green chilies. You can add more chilies if you want, depending on your preference. Then now you can add the sotong. Here we call it sotong, but you can always call it squid. You have to be very careful in cooking squid because you cannot overcook the squid. It will become very hard and rubbery. After the squid, you add in the seasoning and the salt. You may also add soy sauce, but that is optional. Then add some pepper, more cracked pepper because this is a spicy dish. Let boil and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Gently stir and then add your chili padi. This is the small red chilies that gives your dish the kick. Turn off the heat and then transfer to a sizzling plate that is placed over fire. Continue cooking it on the plate. Continue cooking, and when you see the soup is boiling, it's now time to squeeze the lemon on it. Okay, wait, I cannot see the lemon. Okay, now let's squeeze some lemon juice on top of it. I do this while the dish is simmering before I turn off the heat.
Okay, serve.
It's now done and ready to be served.